Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to add the beneficiary on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add beneficiary in the Coinbase app. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now here is the thing. To add a beneficiary to your Coinbase account, the app may not directly support beneficiary features in the same way traditional banking apps do. However, you can take the following steps to manage your account. So the first step is, you can simply securely share the recovery phrase and important account details with a trusted person. And the second option is, you can simply set up two-factor authentication, which is 2FA, in the Coinbase app. And to do that, you can simply tap onto three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then tap onto Profile and Settings. Then scroll down and tap onto Change Security Settings right here. After that, tap onto 2FA settings right here. Then from here, you can simply add the methods that you can add the two-factor authentication from here, and you can simply update it. And that's it. This is how you can add the beneficiary in the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.